What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, even though you can't see me. We're out here at the Low Life meet. We got a lot of loud music here, so we're just gonna get right into it. It looks so much better now. Beautiful. Damn. We got the exotic boys pulling up. Got the McLaren and the R8 with a biker gang behind them. This is gonna be a tough one, boys. It's always a challenge when there's a DJ. This rap is absolutely crazy. That sun be hitting different.
I tried to ask her out, and she said, sorry, I'm not looking for a relationship.
Oh, no. Man, this is like the Fast and the Furious. Got cars as far as the eye can see. Got cars, got bikes, exotics, muscle, JDM, anything you want, man. Look at this stuff. This is crazy. Ooh, baby. We got a long line of cars coming in, but woo. Got the Pandem Porsche. Right now it's battle of the speed bumps, man. Everyone has to go over like 10 speed bumps to even park their cars, but oh my god. Got skinnies up front and thickies in the back. Ooh. What up, man? Crazy. We out here got a music video shoot going on in front of the beautiful shiny car. Got everyone rolling in, got feet.
What's happening, man?
Great. It's Hunter Films. What a man. So this car, you all know it. It's owned by this girl right here. She said the interior is cool too. Kinda cool. Let's check it out. Man. Okay, I gotta put the seat way back. This is crazy. Got the bedazzled steering wheel, the bedazzled vents, everything carbon fiber or bedazzled. Sporting airlift suspension. That is crazy. It's Pinky and the Lane Hogs. All the Mopar boys rolling in as far as the eye can see. So I heard there was a little bit of an accident over here. I don't even know how this would happen, but we have a bunch of police officers, tow trucks, and this guy that apparently backed up a little too fast, it appears, and went into the building, or at least very, very close to the building. So I don't really know how that happened. The show isn't even over here, but very interesting.
Some content for you?
Yeah, this is interesting. Do you even know what happened?
Yeah, so this is my event. So the owner says the throttle got stuck when he was rushing, or no, he says that he's had it off. Somebody, when he heard his exhaust, turned his truck on, started, I guess, revving. It popped into gear.
Oh man.
Others are saying that he was kind of showboating.
Huh. Well, interesting. Over here we got a GT350 and then a GT with a GT500 bumper and a couple other cool cars. Got Miss Galaxy S550 and her Mustang. Let's take a closer look. We've seen her driving around a couple times around these parts. Looking stunning as always. I mean, the line just keeps going forever and ever, both ways. This is great. Look at this, that's crazy. It's like a big wheel little motorcycle thing. Come back, good sir. He's doing donuts in the lot. You can't even see it. So cool. We got one of the many Hellcats here. Got the crazy wrap next to the big old wing Z06. This is what I'm talking about. This and the ZR1 wing are my favorites on these C7 Vets. Very nice. The donks have arrived, baby. Oh, it's got a green, baby. That's sick. All doors go up.
Destination is on the left.
We got 2 of them, baby. He's chopping blades. Yes, I love the Houston car scene, man. You got your Lamborghinis and then you got your donks. Nothing better. Then you got your purple Mustangs. That is actually really freaking nice. Come on in. Sheesh. Then got Drew in the GTR. And then the Rally Genesis following suit. There ain't very many spots left though. This thing's insane. Epic. It's Battle of the Dogs. We got the little itty bitty dog and the big old dog. You want to ride it home?
I'll ride that one.
A michelada. This is crazy how many people are here, and people just keep coming in. I think we're gonna have to get to the cinematic shots because the music just keeps on playing. I'm just gonna keep dancing. So let's get to it. You dig? Oh my God, it's Paige! This dude's chopping it up. It's that guy Marin in his new Z06. Oh my God. Hell yeah. Alright guys, some people are headed out, so we're about to get some sense. It's a very nice straight road here, so I know they send it leaving this show. Let's watch them. There's like nowhere to park, nowhere to go. All these cars are stuck in a traffic jam. They can't let them out where we were just standing earlier because they're like blocking 3 lanes on the feeder. And then over there, there's a light. So it's like every time it's a red light, everyone stops. So we're gonna be sitting here for a little while. I don't imagine me leaving for probably another hour or so. So let's see how this goes. Look at this. Old school. Summer 2021 Fee versus that guy boxing match. Ding ding.
Give me at least 100K likes, and I'll knock the fuck out of it.
Oh, you heard the man.
Static life.
lost his bumper once this show. Will he do it again? He's good. I like that. What a beauty. What the heck? That Civic was hauling, Jesus. Alright fellas, I'm gonna call that a video. We got a lot of sends, saw a lot of cool cars, but I gotta go back to College Station tonight. So I'm gonna go home and drive an hour up to school. So if you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I'll see you in the next video.